So opt-outs are the most enforced issue in data privacy, and most people I speak to think that cookie blocking or tag blocking is the entire solution. I want to talk about why I think that's a little bit too narrow of a worldview as it relates to solving this problem. So to do that, we've got a diagram here that shows a pretty typical flow for many companies on planet Earth. You've got a website. In this case, it's car.com. They sell cars. And car.com uses Amplitude for analytics to understand how people are engaging with their website. And they use Facebook to facilitate advertising to those individuals when they're on Facebook. So all of the visits and all of me going to that car.com website and building my ideal car, that results in data flowing into both of those tools. And marketers on the other end are building audiences in Facebook of people who've built cars in the last 30 days so that they can send those individuals ad campaigns or ad impressions when that individual shows up on Facebook. So that's the natural implementation pattern we have here. Now, what happens when you opt out? Most companies have CMPs that help them block the tags, block the cookies, do both. More on that later. But one thing you're going to notice is that purple arrow in the bottom of this diagram. All of the data that had previously been put into Facebook or Amplitude is still being processed by Facebook and Amplitude unless you do something beyond simply blocking the script tag from firing and collecting more data. And so as you think about your CMP implementation, as you think about how you're going to address your opt-out obligations, remember, just blocking the cookie or stopping the collection of data when someone opts out does nothing for all the data that you've already collected.